The true story of psychopathic twins June and Jennifer Gibson, Part 2. As I told you in Part 1, June and Jennifer Gibson were twin sisters who had invented a new language that only they understood and who wouldn't talk to anyone else. So they ended up in an asylum. And one day, while talking to this famous journalist, Jennifer and June revealed to her that they had made a deadly pact and that Jennifer was going to die. Then, crazy as it sounds, the twins were transferred out of the psychiatric hospital, and Jennifer died a few days later of a heart condition, even though she had never been diagnosed with a heart problem before. According to the journalist, the twins had a long-term agreement. Whereby if one of them died, the other would go back to talking to everyone and living her life as normal. And after a long stay in a psychiatric hospital, the twin sisters decided that it was better for one of them to die in order to break the pact forever. So Jennifer decided to sacrifice her life for her sister. And the strangest thing about all this is that, at the autopsy, the doctors found no trace of drugs or foul play to explain Jennifer's death, so its origin is still unknown.